Hi guys, and welcome here on Hello Gorgeous by S YouTube channel. In today's video we will unbox a gift set from CATRICE, Christmas box look 2. I decided that will be nice once per month to pay more attention to drugstore brands, to try and review more drugstore products. CATRICE is a super affordable brand. For this gift set I paid £8.80. Okay guys, let's open the box and see the products that are hiding inside. First we find High Glow Mineral Highlighting Powder. Here we have a shade 030 Amber Crystal. As far as I can see, it has a warm yellow undertone, which is not my favorite. Second we find a pair of false lashes, Magnetic Accent Lashes. To be honest, they look very well. Third product is a lipstick, full satin lipstick in the shade 030, Full of Passion. This lipstick is made in Italy and it has 36 months the shelf life. Fourth product is a setting spray, Prime and Fine Anti-Shine Fixing Spray. I am not a consumer of this kind of a product. This setting spray is made in Italy and it has 24 months the shelf life. The last product from the box is an eyeshadow palette, Crystallized Rose Quartz Eyeshadow Palette. This is how it looks inside. The colors are nice, and what I like is that the shades have names. Okay, beautiful people, let's try them on. Now let's have a small chat about the palette. I will focus on the shades that I tried today. For the crease I used the shade Cheerful, which I think is the worst shade from this palette. It's not pigmented, it dries the eyelid very bad. I didn't like this shade at all. On the top of the shade Cheerful I applied the shade Endless. This shade was better. Is more saturated, is beautiful too. The only thing that I didn't like in this shade was the glitters. On the outer corner of the eye and on the lash line I used the shade Memories, a beautiful pigmented shade. In my opinion was the best shade from the palette. Is rich, is pigmented, is opaque, very easy to work with. In the inner corner of the eye I used the shade Rose Quartz. And this shade was lovely, easy to work with and very beautiful. For the eyelid I used the shade Love Struck, again a beautiful shade. Guys, I cannot say that is the worst eyeshadow palette that I tried, because it's not. Yes, this palette has a lot of issues. The eyeshadow formula is very dry and super powdery. To avoid a messy look, it's better to do the eye makeup first and just after to apply the foundation. Well, for me it's not an amazing eyeshadow palette. I will play around more with it to try all the shades and to make a fair opinion about this palette. Let's move to the High Glow Mineral Highlighting Powder. I will be honest, I like it a lot. It has a beautiful satin finish. The only thing bad that I noticed is the formula is very dry and dusty. Let's move to the full satin lipstick. The shade is nice, I like it, but the formula is not my favorite. Even if it is a satin lipstick, in my case I felt like it dried my lips. About the setting spray, well guys, as I said, I'm not a consumer of this kind of a product, so I don't have a great opinion about it. But what I didn't like in this setting spray is the scent. It smells like soap. Okay, beautiful people, and this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!